minutes later, we're in a bigger snowstorm. But with Chloe's expert driving skills, I fear nothing. Don't mess up, Chloe.
I won't.
Oh, that's a lot of snow coming at us.
Yes.
What temperature? 31. And we've got 40.8 miles to go.
Thank God for the GPS.
I know. GPS is awesome. This would be hard in snow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not really knowing where you're going.
Okay, so we need to sing a song. What's a good snow song? I don't have any snow songs.
That'll be Christmas songs, right?
Yes! Jingle bells. Oh, I have some bells.
We do. Bling, bling.
Chloe loves Christmas music. Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Wait.
No, you're supposed to laugh.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Ha ha ha. Bells on baptism. Oh, it's not fun if I'm the only one.
Well, sorry.
This is complicated.
I don't know
though.
the English lyrics.
Look at the snow.
Oh,
The weather outside is frightening, and I do. I don't know. Vive le vent, vive le vent, vive le vent d'hiver.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na. Hey, vive le vent, vive le vent, vive le vent d'hiver. Oula, quand même.
Na 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 na. Et bonne année grand-mère. C'est le truc dont je me souviens.
Il est né le petit enfant.
Le divin enfant.
It's true.
Il est né le divin enfant. Jouez au roi et
Lucette, il est né le divin enfant, chantant tout son événement depuis plus de 14 000 ans. De 4 000
Non, de 2000 ans.
Non, de 4 000 ans.
Ah,
Nous attendions ce temps depuis plus de 4 000 ans. Ah, cet événement. This is bad.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna slow down. Thank you, Chloe.
Get me distracted and
No. No more distractions.
Do you have a different way to organize your lights? Because right now,
No.
the snow is reflecting.
I have the one on the, if you turn to the left the knob once. Try that. Does that help?
Yeah. Okay, then I have a problem because since this is frozen, it doesn't wipe on my iron at all. You know, the blades.
Oh, I have a better thing. All right.
Yeah. Let's do that. Good.
Je peux mettre ma main aussi.
Je sais pas si ça va.
Petit à petit, tout aide. C'est parti.
Encore en train de filmer.
Ouais. Si jamais quelque chose arrive.
Il y a la preuve.
Ça va mieux? Voilà.
Ouais, petit à petit. Voilà,
Ah oui, toi tu vois rien en fait.
rien.
Ok. c'est vrai.